Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Let's Talk Money. So today I will be showing you an example how much a 40-year-old person living in San Francisco would pay for health insurance, assuming that he gets health insurance via the Covered California. In other words, he gets the subsidized health plans. So based on that, we will have to include his income. So the person's income is $40,000 a year, therefore he qualifies for subsidies. Let's see how much that is. So we'll use the shop and compare, and we'll be using the Covered CA official website. Let's go ahead and click shop and compare, and this is for year 2019. The zip code for San Francisco, let's just say this one, and then the income will estimate 40,000 per year income, right? And it's just one person, and this person is 40 years old. So I just used 40 just so you know we can have an estimate. And let's see the results. Okay, so we'll go ahead and preview plans. Okay, we'll just skip this. We really want to see all the options, so we'll just go ahead and skip it. So as you can see, as I mentioned, based on 40,000 a year income, the subsidy or the tax credit or the APTC for this particular person is $217.77 a month. This basically reduces the monthly premium. Otherwise, this person would be paying much more, right? So the plans are sorted out based on pricing, the cost. So the CCHP plan is $162. That's for the bronze. And there is a high deductible bronze. It's even cheaper, right? And then we see Kaiser. So Kaiser is still competitive for San Francisco. Next year, the high deductible health plan for Kaiser is $161 a month. And the Kaiser Bronze, that's the traditional bronze plan, is $172. It's slightly more, but it has a little bit better. I will have to probably do a separate video and explain the difference between the high deductible health plan and the regular bronze. But in 2 words, as you can see, with the high deductible plan, when you go to see your primary care doctor, you pay 40% right away. And that could be a little bit more than what you would pay with a traditional bronze, which is $75. So this is like an exact dollar amount, $75, and here you pay 40% from day one. So let's just keep scrolling and look at other plans. Oscar is doing pretty well. They're also pretty competitive this year. So their bronze HSA, which is a health saving account, this is great. They have the HSA account, is $166 a month for this person. And their EPO plan in San Francisco is $189. And if you are confused about what is EPO, HMO, PPO, I highly advise check out one of my videos regarding, I have like a comparison and explanation of what all that stands for, and it's very easy to understand. So take a look at that, one of those videos. And here's the PPO plan. As you can see, the PPO plan is a bit more expensive than the other, even though the cost is the plan benefits is the same. But yeah, there is a reason behind that. Everyone likes the PPO plans, and they're basically give you more flexibility in terms of what doctor to go to, but you have to pay extra for that. So that's why it's a bit more expensive, right? And then the silver plan kick in. So what I want to see if Kaiser Silver is yeah, so Kaiser Silver is $328 a month. That's the high deductible for Blue Shield. And all of this is new for me. I just got the numbers this morning, so this is like really I'm looking and I'm learning as I record this video. So the reason why I mentioned Kaiser is that this in 2018, Kaiser Gold was cheaper than Kaiser Silver, and I wanted to see if this is the same. It's going to be the same next year. So it looks like next year it got back to normal. So the silver is $328 for Kaiser, the gold is $349. It's not by much. It's not much of a difference. So still, if you were to choose between silver and gold, I would highly advise get the gold one, because it's just $20 more, but you don't have a deductible and the plan benefits are a bit better here. So let's move on. The CCHP Gold, 346, like they go hand in hand. They basically mirror what Kaiser does in San Francisco. All right, so let's move on and look at HealthNet. Is very expensive, and this is an EPO. Look, it's even more expensive than a PPO. I have no idea why they are doing this. 315. I mean, they will be losing a lot of members because it's outrageously expensive. Anyways, so Kaiser has two gold plans. The one is the coinsurance gold that we saw, and then there is a gold HMO. It's a bit more expensive. They have almost the same coverage with a few exceptions. And again, I can go into more details, but really in this video I just want to have an overview rather than go into the specifics of each plan. So moving on, Platinum Kaiser. This is the plan that has basically very good benefits. They have very low usage fee. So basically when you see the doctor, you pay just $15. Medication, that for a generic medication you would pay $5. So see, this plan is probably a good fit for someone that doesn't mind paying a little bit more each month for health insurance, but wants peace of mind, and they want to have lower cost throughout the year when they see the doctor. So that's a good plan for them. All right, so moving on, there is a Blue Shield HMO plan in San Francisco as well. This is a great one. They have very good network doctors in the HMO, so I'm very excited to see that they are available in San Francisco. They're not cheap comparably, but they offer a great network of doctors in San Francisco and the Bay Area. So again, excited to see this. Oscar 70 EPO, slightly more expensive. The PPO with Blue Shield, again, PPO tends to be more expensive, so it's $450, but it's not when I compare it to Oscar. That's a pretty good value right here. Okay. Now, yeah, so basically these are all of the plans available in the covered California in San Francisco. The rates depend on the age, zip code, and income if you're looking at the subsidized plans, right? So here, moving on, is basically the plans that are a bit more pricey, but again offer more basically coverage is the same, it's just your out of pocket is less, right? So here we go. Again, HealthNet is quite expensive in San Francisco, and I have no idea why they're doing it. I really don't see a reason for getting an EPO plan for this price, but anyways. All right, so again, the open enrollment starts on October 15, and during this time you can shop for a health plan, and the plan, the plan that you select will start on January 1st. Basically, the effective date will be January 1st of next year. So if you are looking to get health insurance starting next year, make sure you don't lose that opportunity. Make sure you get a plan, during that open enrollment, which is again in California is October 15, 2018, and it's going to run through January 15, 2019. So make sure you get a plan if you need one. Now, if you have questions, or if you are confused or need help or anything, or just want to say hi, feel free to reach out to me. I am a licensed insurance agent in California, and I also work with Cover California. I have contracts with all insurance companies that are open for business in California. So we'll be glad to help you and assist with enrollment questions and so on. And obviously, if you found this video useful, feel free to share it with the world, like it, comment. You can even post questions. If you have like a generic question, go ahead and post it in the comments, and I'll respond. And that, I'm pretty good at getting back and responding to the comments under the video. Thank you, everyone, and hope to see you again on our channel, and stay healthy.